Schedule management in building information modeling. Hello everyone, I am Dipak Aditya. To supplement my previous video implementing Cloud BIM, I prepared a couple of videos. One of them is this one. I am enthusiastic to present the schedule management video to you. Chapters of schedule management in building information modeling. It covers understanding schedule management, the process of schedule risk, assessing and managing risk, BIM process management model, and WBS. The third chapter is the BIM schedule plan. Fourth is BIM IFC construction schedule management. IFC or Industry Foundation class, a standard of BIM. Chapter 5 is a case study, very interesting one to gain practical knowledge. Schedule management processes. There are 5 processes. Plan schedule management, define activities, sequence activities, estimate activity durations, develop schedule, and control schedule. Each of them is discussed in the following slides. Plan schedule management. It provides guidance and direction on how the project schedule will be managed. Tools and techniques to develop the plan are expert judgment from previous experience. The input, tools, and techniques are presented in the flowchart on the left. To define activities, decompose WBS work packages into schedule activities. Decomposition is a technique used for dividing and subdividing the project scope and project deliverables. Rolling wave planning is used as well. Rolling wave planning is a form of progressive elaboration applicable to work packages, planning packages, and release planning when used in Agile or waterfall. Sequencing activities provide a logical relationship of work. The process is performed throughout the project, unlike the plan schedule. Estimate activity duration. It provides the amount of time for each activity. Duration should be estimated by someone who has experience in doing it, that is with expertise. Analogous estimation from an estimation of the similar previous project can also be used. Also parametric estimation. Parametric estimating is a statistical and accuracy-based technique for calculating the time, cost, resources needed for the project. Develop schedule. The process is performed throughout the project. Use a schedule network analysis to generate the schedule. Network analysis calculates the early start and early finish dates. On network path, there will be total float. Total float is a total amount of time that a scheduled activity may be delayed from its early start date without delaying the project finish date or intermediary milestones. Control schedule. It results in a schedule baseline. Conduct earned value analysis, which are schedule variance and schedule performance index, measured to review the schedule performance. A schedule variance gauges how much the actual work is deviating from the planned schedule, while a schedule performance index is the ratio of performed work to the scheduled work. If the schedule performance index is greater than 1, the project is ahead of schedule. If less than 1, the project is behind the schedule. Schedule baseline. The essential information in the baseline is the sequence of project activities, dependencies between activities, including leads and lags, activity durations, planned baseline start and finish dates of activities, and underlying assumptions and constraints. Changes in the schedule baseline need to go through the formal change control procedure. Challenges in schedule risk. Challenges are cost control, resource limitation, and big data analysis. In cost control, challenges are measuring the ability and cost sensitivity. Needs resource feasible baseline schedule. Big data analysis, although effective for schedule risk analysis, requires research and testing. Assessing and managing schedule risk. CPM part is a method to estimate the duration. Part assumes that the duration of activities is variable. The Monte Carlo analysis simulates the activity duration to analyze completion time possibility. Schedule can be crushed to shorten duration by adding resources. Duration can be shortened by fast-tracking compression techniques by overlapping activities. BIM process management model. Please see the figure here. WBS plan and other information can be viewed, securing the construction schedule in the project. Establishing a schedule management system framework. It has a view layer, model layer, and controller layer. View layer displays the construction schedule. The model layer exports property data from the 3D model to the SQL server. Controller layer develops an independent construction schedule. The system can automatically update the duration of a related object and the current construction state. Schedule Information Management System. The BIM-based information management model creates an information submodel in the project planning, design, construction, and operation phases. As the project continues, a schedule information model is created for the full project life cycle. Information retrieval and integration in a schedule planning. It is a 4D construction information model. Schedule data are collected and entered in software such as Microsoft Project, which automatically tracks the project and obtain use information about schedule, resources, and cost. As the project progresses, the data are managed by BIM information management system. Core support of schedule management. As seen in the figure, it includes SQL Server, 4D schedule management model, IFC database, file storage, and file metabase. BIM with ID schedule management. The 3D can be integrated with ID schedule management process, by which 4D BIM is built to provide visualization. In 4D, problems can be detected as early as possible and operation of the project can be facilitated smoothly. BIM-based scheduling. IFC focuses on design results that may have links to master data. The data are master data, derivation rules, and derived data. Domains of model-based scheduling are architectural design, construction scheduling, and cost management. IFC or Industry Foundation class is a standard, the primary standard for Open BIM data exchange. Interesting to see the scheduling with optimization. The integrated schedule overlapping control model is here. First, the search algorithm of overlapping activities and the risk analysis algorithm for performance risk of the construction operation. Finally, a schedule optimization. Building components and building elements. Building components are IFC-based constraints of one or more building components modeled. IFC serves as a basis for exchange building model data. The IFC building elements. Open IFC tools offer open access to all BIM data. Information requirement in project schedule management. Steps are making the schedule plan, then implementing plan and monitoring the schedule during the construction process. Next, analyze the reasons for schedule variance. Finally, control the schedule by making adjustments. The schedule variance is explained earlier. Schedule plan information model. Making the model involves different plans. For example, the general plan and the unit project plan. The plan maximizes the rational use of funds, labor, equipment, and supplies. Schedule implementing model. The construction process is divided into sections, and the construction layers are connected to different procedures to reduce the obstructions. Implementation of the construction information model. The implementation construction information flow includes readme and specialized flow production and non-readme and specialized flow production. They monitor equal rhythm in the construction section. Examining and control model. In the examination stage, data are collected from the construction process, analyzing the deviation, and then analyzing the trend of the construction schedule. It provides a reliable basis for the subsequent schedule adjustment. The case study. It gives practical knowledge. The case study project is floor basement construction. See the task and schedule. Tasks are support engineering, earth excavation, anchor cable construction, and basement construction. A schedule contains 20 elements related to cost, resources, quality, and the risk management. Let's see the schedule management information model of the case study basement construction. It is established according to the information of the basement and a schedule information model. The information system is developed based on IFC standard. Acknowledgement. I gratefully acknowledge the Project Management Institute and to those I referred to in this video. And thank you all for your participation in watching the video.